Some of Ruben's famous hot sauce, wing sauce. We're having hot wings. We're out on the grill. Tater tots are in the air fryer. Can't wait to taste that. Yum. Alright guys, we'll be right back. You gonna help me cook the wings, Cash? Alright guys, I've already pretty much seared them. They just have to cook now. About a half hour like this after they come off the grill. So they're gonna cook like that for about a half hour. So it's gonna be a minute before we're done cooking. So thanks for watching my videos, guys. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. You all know what to do. See ya.